day, everyone. Welcome to Black and Co official YouTube channel once again. Today we continue the topic we started in our last class, which is how to use the tape rule. So we treated the numerator part of the tape rule, which is graduated in imperial units, that is the inch, feet, and so on and so forth, and division of it, fraction of it. So now we are going to treat the denominator, which is in metric units. And when we say metric units, we are referring to millimeter, centimeters, and meter, as the case will be. So this is the first one is the millimeter, which is denoted as mm. Second is centimeter, which is denoted as cm, while the last one is meter, which is denoted as m. So now, ordinarily, naturally, the tape rule is graduated in centimeter. So what do I mean by that? It means each one, you see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are in centimeter. So you can say that this is 1 cm, this is 2 cm, this is 3 cm, this is 4 cm, and so on and so forth. While this last one we have here is 10 cm. And you will notice something, that each cm, this is the starting point, up to here, it is subdivided. So when you count the division, let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can see that it is divided into 10. Each of them is in millimeter. So you can boldly say that 10 millimeters makes 1 centimeter. So this, okay, let's start from here. This is 1 mm, 1 millimeter. The next one is, that will be 2 millimeter. The next will be 3, 4, and this will be 5 millimeters, which is 5 mm. Likewise, here for instance, this is now, and when we now say 10 millimeters make 1 centimeter, which means if this for a centimeter, we are referring to centimeter. This one was 1 cm, this 2, but in the millimeter, when I say millimeter, it means this one will now be what? 10 millimeters, because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 10 millimeters make 1 centimeter. So which also means 1 centimeter makes 10 millimeters. So this 1 cm is the same thing as 10 cm. The same thing as 10 mm rather. This 2 cm is the same thing as what? 20 millimeters. This also is the same thing as 30 mm. This it means 40 mm, and so on and so forth. Likewise, this means what? 100 mm, because 10 millimeters makes 1 centimeter. When you look at the tape rule, you notice that, look at it, after the 10, instead of having 11, we start from 1 again. Start from 1 again, 2, 3. When it gets to 19, move to 20. So, which means if this is 10 cm, which is the same thing as what? 100 mm. So this will be what? If this is 10 cm, this will be 11 cm. Just add the 1 to the 10. This will be what? 12 cm, 13 cm, 15 cm, 19 cm, then 20 cm. Likewise, this will be 21. Just add the 1 to the 20. 21 cm, 22 cm, 29 cm, 30 cm. Another thing, let's look at it. Then the mm, this should be what? 100 mm. 10 cm is 100 mm. So this should be what? 110 mm. Very good. Because the one is 10. This should be 120 mm. This should be 200 mm. This should be 300 mm. Millimeters. Very good. So now, let's now move to meter. You will notice that, look at the table. We have it 6. This is 60 cm, which is 600 mm. Then when it gets to 100 cm, which is 1000 mm, there's another thing we need to note here, which is the meter. So the 1000, or let me start from this, 100 cm makes 1 meter. 100 centimeter makes 1 meter, which is as 1000 millimeters makes 1 meter. So in that case, we can say that this is 10 cm, which is same thing as 100 mm, and which will be same thing as what in meter? 0.1 meter. Very good, 0.1 meter. Now let's consider it on the tape rule, on our tape measure. You can see this is 90 cm, because everything is in cm originally. So this is 90 cm. So which is how many mm? That will be 900 mm. And in meter, that will be what? 0.9 meter. And this is 1 meter. 1 meter, which is same thing as 100 cm. And also it's the same thing as 1000 millimeters, which is mm. So now, the division here, let's make use of the meter now. So if this is 1 meter, this should be 1.1 meter. Do not forget the 10 here is 0.1, 0.2. So after the 1 meter here, the next should be what? 1.1. This is 1.1 meter. But here it will be what? 1.01. This will be 1.01, 1.02. Another thing is what? This will be, after this one, the next graduation, the next mark, that next tiny one after it. If this is 1.01, then that next one will now be what? 1.011. 1.011. And when I'm referring to millimeters, so this is 1000 millimeter. This is 1010.
Plus that one to 1011.
Yes, this one, then the one itself will be 1010. That will be 1010. This will be 1010. Then the next will be 1011 mm. So that's how to use it. Or what the conversion between the imperial and the metric unit. So let's quickly look into that as well. Now let's look into the conversion. How do we convert the two together? Because we are using the same tape measure. So as you can see, this 300 mm is almost at the center of the 1 feet. So in that case, we can say 1 feet is approximately 300 mm, which is approximately 30 cm, which is approximately 0.3 meter. So let's start from the lowest, the smallest division. 1 inch is approximately about 24 mm. At times people approximate as 25
millimeters.
Millimeters. So which means 2 inches will be what? About 50 millimeters. Look at it here. You can see the 50 here. It's almost, excuse the 2 inches, almost as 50, just little deviation. So look at this. It's almost as the same 25. Almost the same. When you even look at it from the table, you see that it's almost at the 25. Almost. It's even more than so. It's not even 24. It's almost at the 25. So it's 24 something. It's not 24 per se. So better we use 25 mm approximately. So now, then 12 inches is approximately 300 mm, which is same thing thing as 30 cm, which is same thing as 0.3 meters. So and so on. This is just the basis. So when you know this, you are good to go. So just to follow the, when you are measuring, you are given in the metric unit, just follow that, and you are given in the imperial unit, just follow that. And when you have to convert the two from one to unit to another, just follow this. So you are good to go. Thank you. So I think this brings us to the end of the how to use the measuring tape or the tape rule. So we have treated the imperial unit. If you have not watched it, you can check through our channel to get it there. And also, we have done justice to the metric unit as well. So if you are new to this channel, kindly give us a thumb up and also do well to subscribe to our channel so as to get more of this on a regular basis. And likewise, if you are here to subscribe, can do that in earnest, and also help us to share this channel to your family and friends, and do not forget to like our channel. Thank you. See you.